Welcome and good morning or good evening, I do not care. Time does not concern me, my mortal friend. Welcome to your environment setup. In this lesson we will gather the tools, the instruments required for your programming journey. Do you agree, Renfield?
Yes, master.
Excellent. First of all, you will need a browser, which you already have installed one on your machine. You can use any browser you like. I use Brave. I like lions. Next, you will need a code editor. A code editor is the place where we write our perfect code. I will show you the one I use. It is the perfect tools for beginners. It's Sublime Text. It is simple, fast, quiet, and timeless. You will focus on writing code, not distracted by shiny buttons and countless extensions. On the right, we have the editor. This is where we write our spells. On the left, the File Explorer. This is where your project lives. If you are on Windows, I will leave a link below so you may summon the editor. If you are on Linux, open your App Store. Search for Sublime. Click Install. Magic. Next, we will create a local development server on your computer, famously known as localhost. The localhost server is the place that will host your projects. It is the place where we create files, folders, upload images, and write code. Although we don't need a server to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, we will need one when we start learning PHP and MySQL. So I believe it is best practice to build our environment from the very beginning, so that all tools are in place and we may focus entirely on the lessons ahead. The server that I recommend is XAMPP. It is very easy to install, especially if I guide you. But I must leave now. An important matter elsewhere summons me. We will continue our localhost server setup in the next lesson. Rest, my mortal friend. And remember, like and subscribe, or I visit.